Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by validating the XML and deciding which fields become CSV columns. Open the file with a parser. Use DOM if the file fits memory, or a streaming parser like SAX/CENT-AX for large inputs. Once done, inspect a few sample records to pick consistent element or attribute names for headers. Make sure to note namespaces and blank nodes. These affect mapping. Now create an initial CSV header row and keep it ready while you write the extraction logic. You now implement the mapping and extraction. Iterate each record node and pull the chosen elements or attributes into variables, converting types where necessary. When encountering nested structures, flatten them with a clear naming convention, and for repeated nodes, decide whether to concatenate, count, or explode into multiple rows. Make sure to sanitize commas and quotes for CSV safety. Once you extract a row, transform dates and numbers to a consistent format, then write the row to the CSV buffer or file. You finish by writing rows to CSV while ensuring proper quoting, escaping of delimiters, and consistent line endings. Flush the writer periodically if streaming large files. Once the file is complete, sample several rows and open in a spreadsheet, or use a validator to confirm column alignment and encoding. If everything looks good, compress or archive the CSV as needed. Troubleshooting tip: if columns shift or contain XML markup, recheck your delimiter/quote handling and confirm all special characters are escaped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.